Bonjour tout le monde, vous allez bien? Aujourd'hui, 3/5/2020, sujet français, classe 7, unité 4, leçon 3, grammaire. Page 65, 66, le livre, plus page 50, cahier d'exercice. Les objectifs, les élèves doivent savoir les verbes pronominaux. The student should know the pronominal verbs. Répondre aux exercices concernant la leçon. You have to answer the exercises concerning the lesson. Devoir, page 50, exercice 3, cahier d'exercice. On va commencer. Page 65, le livre, grammaire, les verbes pronominaux. Je me lave, meaning I wash. Je me regarde, meaning I am looking at myself. Les verbes pronominaux on are like je me lave ma voiture, this meaning I wash my car. But if I say je me lave, you see pronoun me, this meaning I wash myself, I wash. Je regarde la télé, I am watching TV. If I say je me regarde, meaning I am looking at myself. Quand le sujet aussi est l'objectif d'un verbe, on utilise un pronominal réfléchi. When the subject is also object of a verb, we use reflexive pronoun. Like je lave la voiture, je me lave, mais meaning moi-même, meaning myself, mais. Le pronom réfléchi se replace devant les verbes. To conjugate the verb pronominal, any verb start with se or s apostrophe is pronominal verb. Reflective pronouns are replaced before the verb. So you have to change se according to the subject. For example, if the subject je, se change to me. If the subject tu, se change to te. If the subject il, elle, on, se, still se. If the subject nous, se change to nous. If the subject vous, you change se to vous. If the subject il or elle avec s, se change to se, but you have to conjugate the verb according to its group. For example, first group, you cross r and put u with je. With tu, es, with l, e. With nous, on s, with vous, z, with l avec s, unity. Like this verb, se laver, meaning washing yourself. Je me lave, you see I change. And I put the end here, first group A. To love. To, and correct the verb, I put es. Il, elle, on, se. And I put E with il, as its verb, first group. Nous, vous, lavez, il, elle, se lave. I read this verb again. Je me lave, tu te laves, il, elle, on se lave, nous lavons, vous lavez, elle se lave. You have to say, dites je me regarde, ne dites pas je regarde moi. If you like to say I look at myself, you have to say je me regarde. Don't say je regarde moi. Ok? Mais devient M apostrophe, T devient T apostrophe, C devient S apostrophe, devant un voyelle or un HME. For example, appel. Here is first letter is A, so you have to write M apostrophe. To t'appelle. First letter here is H, so you have to write the apostrophe. In L son oui, first letter here is U, so you write S apostrophe, don't write S here. Page 66, le livre. Verbe pronominaux. We have some verbs to know, like se réveiller, to wake up, se lever, to get up, se laver, to get washed, s'habiller, to get dressed, s'occuper de, to be busy with, s'intéresser en, to be interested in, se dépêcher, to be in hurry, se reposer, to have rest, se baigner, to bath or to swim, se coucher, to go to bed, s'ennuyer, to be bored, s'amuser, to have fun or have a good time. Page 50, cahier d'exercice. Complète avec les verbes proposés. Complete with proposed verb. Se laver, wash, se sécher, to dry, se reposer, rest, se promener, walk, se coucher, lie down, se dépêche, hurry. Ok. Par exemple, quand on est fatigué, on se repose. When you are tired, you rest. Quand on a sommeil, on se couche. When we are sleepy, we go to bed. Quand on est sale, on se lave. When we are dirty, we wash. Quand on est mouillé, on se sèche. When you get wet, you dry yourself. Quand il fait beau, on se promène. When the weather is nice, we take a walk. Quand on est pressé, on se dépêche. When we are in a hurry, we should hurry. Devoir, page 50, exercice 3, cahier d'exercice. Souligne la réponse correcte. Pendant les vacances, ma sœur et moi, nous allons souvent chez mon oncle. Il s'appelle Daniel. Il a une ferme en Normandie. Mon oncle se réveille toujours très tôt. Il se lave dans la salle de bain. Et elle s'habille le matin. Elle s'occupe des animaux de la ferme. Ma sœur, elle ne se lève pas si tôt. Elle s'intéresse beaucoup à la vie à la ferme. Moi, je me repose le matin. Je n'intéresse pas beaucoup à la ferme. Quelquefois, je m'ennuie, mais quand il fait chaud, nous nous baignons dans la rivière et ça, c'est bien. Would you like to see the translation? I did it. During the holidays, my sister and I often go to my uncle's house. His name is Daniel, and he has a farm in Normandy. My uncle wakes up always very early. He gets up, he washes in the bathroom, and he gets dressed. In the morning, he takes care of farm animals. My sister, she doesn't get up so early. She's interested a lot about the life of the farm. I rest in the morning. I don't care a lot on the farm. Sometimes I boil, but when it's hot, we take baths in the river and it's good. Mes amis, c'est assez aujourd'hui. À la prochaine fois. Merci. Au revoir.